Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So we are in the middle of the huge, big storm that's all the way across the nation, and um, I'm back with some lip liners that I really enjoyed. So I hope everybody's staying warm and everybody um, is having the hot chocolate because that's the kind of days that we're having right now. So I'll go ahead and get started as far as what I have on. I do have the Pretty Fresh, and this is their stick as far as their foundation goes, and I do have that on. I did go ahead and use the Pretty Fresh as well for the concealer today. And then as far as what I did for the cheek products, I went ahead and started with the Deserve Butter by NYX, and this is one of their bronzers, and I went ahead and used that. I also got out the LYS, and this is the Curvy Blush, and so I went ahead and used that as well. And I did go ahead and get out one of my favorite palettes of all time, which is going to be the Amy Loves from Adept. And I did go ahead and use this one for my eye look today. And let's see what I did here. I went ahead and used the Glam and the Stunning shade. So I used those two on the lid. And then I did go ahead and use the Pisces right above the lid. And so that's what I have on from this palette today. And as far as my highlighter, I got out the Soul. This is a Rosé palette. And so this one is actually an oldie but goodie. And let's see if I can, it doesn't want to open for me. Use my own trick, and if you get your thumbnail right in the opening there, you can go ahead and get these to open, but for some reason, there we go. Okay, so this is a rosé, and that's what I went ahead and used for my highlighter today. And again, oldie but a goodie. And then I did go ahead and use this lip liner. And so this one is one by Shcoety and the e.l.f. And this is the Papaya Plumping Lip Gloss. So that's what I have on there. And over the holiday season, I did go ahead and pick up a whole bunch of, these are from Temu. And you get 12 in a box. So a whole bunch of lip liners. These are matte. And I'm going ahead and giving these a go. Just wanted to go ahead and see what was out there. I also got a couple of other boxes. They were only running somewhere between about $2 and $4 a pack, and you get 12 in every one. And this is the lip pencil dupes, and again, these are all matte as well. And here we go. So these ones don't have the fun lids on them, but they do go ahead and you can tell all the colors by their tips up here, so that's fun. And I got one other packet of the lip liners. Went a little bit crazy, but you know. So it's a Super Luxe matte lip liner kit. And again, each box has about 12 colors in it. And these, this one actually has a couple of blues and whites and some other fun colors as well. So again, on the top of the pencil, you can see what color it is. And so I just thought that that would be better for me because I'm just getting to the point where unless I have a lip liner on, it's going to be down here and up to here. So thought that these would be fun. The other one that I picked up was the NYX lip liners, and these were actually over at Ulta, and right after the holidays they were about half off. I think there are 12 in here as well, and again they have the colors up here. And so I just thought that with all these amazing lip glosses and lip treatments and everything that are coming out right now, that it would just be fun to be able to go ahead and wear the lip glosses with the lip liners. And so that's what I went ahead and did. And I think that they're all working out pretty well, because I'm definitely not having it go down there, and I can go ahead and use the lip gloss with it, and now I have all sorts of more options than I did have before, which is really fun. So I guess that's pretty much the video for today, but these are all the Shcoety, and definitely I've worn this one a couple of times, and so far it's staying, and so I haven't had any problems with them yet. And they're going ahead, and I'm using them all over the lip, and then going ahead and putting the lip gloss on top. So that's a video for today, and lip liners, and more lip liners. And I am still trying to get all of this organized. I did move. I am in a different space, and so I'm hoping to go ahead and put a shelf back here where I can put some of the fun Dollar Tree stuff up and everything. But I finally got most of my palettes organized, but everything else, all the foundations, all the lip liners, everything else is all over everywhere. So I'm working to go ahead and get that under control. But other than that, definitely at the end of the video, and I'll see you later, and have a great day. Bye.